is automatic CNC machine. And then fabricate here. So here is the surface after the seamless process. So the surface has no any seam, and the waterproof and air tightness is super good, and it will look beautiful. Here is debugging area. So we will test the function of the windows and doors here. And here is welding machine also, but this is only for the super big large of the quantity. And then we will start package. All the packaging will like that, with bubble film, the inside package.